Hello and welcome back to the OnTeacher and welcome back to part 2 of our minifigure tutorial, where today we're going to concentrate on making the body. So as normal, we've got our left clicks on red and our right clicks on blue. So we've already designed the head, so next we're going to be making the body and the neck. So like normal, we're going to press sketch and we're going to click on the front plane there to start with, and then I press the N key. Now I'm going to go up to rectangle at the top there and do a center point rectangle. Click once up and we're going to create a rectangular body like that. Now the height of it is 80 and the width is about 45. You can adjust this depending on the material you've got. And I'm going to press the tick. Everything's in black, it's all locked in, so we can press the tick. We go to extrude, sketch 1. Ours are normally about 21, the material we buy, and I'm going to do it symmetric, and all that means it goes on both sides, and press the tick. So we've now got our box there for the body. Now we need to cut these corners off. Now we could do it as another extrude and just cut the corners off, but it's far easier to use chamfer. We click on that edge and we get a chamfer, and we can adjust these numbers. So if we type in the top one there and I put 10, it's going to make it go down that way. So the first one we'll say to the left. If we do the other one, you can start to see how our body takes up. So we need to go to about 45 on that one, and then we can click the other side. And we can look at it and go, does that look like a minifigure? Does 5 look better? It does. So we've got a 40 by 45. We press the tick. I'm then going to do the top. So we just press sketch 2, click on the top there, press the N, and I'm going to do a center point circle from the center there. Now you can see I've missed the circle. I can fix that. We can either just press undo, but if you want to learn how to fix it, if we go up to dimension, click the dots, click the center, and change that to 0, and then click the circle and click it out and change that to 12, and press the tick. Now this is going to form the neck. Now we used to cut these out, but what we're going to do now is we use a piece of dowel, and we're just going to remove that about 15. And there's my neck. Now time I'm here, I can press extrude, click on that surface, you'll see it comes up. We're going to do 30, and I'm going to create it as a new part. So we just press new there, and now you've got a separate part for your dowel. Now comes to doing the legs. So sketch, click on the front, press N. We need to leave enough there for the body. Now it does look slightly too long, so if that's the case, I'll go back to sketch 1 and make it 75. Now just by pressing 75, nothing's changed, everything stayed where it is. So I'll just press restore now. So I'm going to press sketch and click on that front plane here and press N. And I'm going to change it now to a corner rectangle. So I want to go from this corner up, and it's roughly 20. Sorry, I've done the wrong one there. Should be that one, should be 20. And we just click back on dimension. This one should be 50. Now, what I'm going to do now, we've got a square there. If we go to mirror, select a mirror line in the center, select entities, so draw around that part. We've got our two parts there. We can press extrude, extrudes 3, click the arrow to go the opposite way, and press remove, and press the tick. We've now got our body. There's a couple little things missing. We need to go sketch, and click on that part there, and do a hole in the center there. Now there's a couple of things on this hole. I'd probably go for a 5mm dowel. Also, we want that distance. We want to do it about 12, just below center. So center would be 10. We want it just to be below center, just to give some clearance space at the top there. Press the tick, extrude, click that part, remove, press the tick. That's our hole there. So we've got our main body here. Now this next step is going to be a bit counterintuitive to some people. So I've just clicked on sketch. Let's do again, sketch. Top plane there, press the N. I'm going to do a corner rectangle all the way down, just so we're covering 1/2 of the material body. Press extrude. I'm going to select sketch 5 and press remove. And press OK. So we've now just got half the body. And you can see how that dowel pin goes in there. We're now going to click on sketch, side piece there, press the N. I'm going to put a circle on this edge. Again, it's going to be 5mm, and it's going to be from the top, that shoulder, it's going to be about 12.5 down. And we press the tick. Now we're going to go extrude, sketch 6, opposite direction, remove, merge scope is part 1. Merge scope 1. So it's not going into that piece of dowel. Time I'm here, I'm going to press extrude. So time I'm here, I'm now going to press mirror. Part 1, mirror plane is that side there. Press the tick, and we've got that part. Now, you'll see at the moment it's done its 2 separate parts. So I need to go back into mirror and go and click part 1 and press OK. And it now becomes a solid piece. I've been the OnTeacher. Thank you for watching.